Hazel, can you see that? The planes look like giant birds in the sky. Wow, Leo! I wonder where those planes are going.
Our adventure starts today. Let's enjoy this special trip together.
Stay near us and keep your things safe.
Don't worry, I am ready for our journey. Leo, our gate number is on the screen. We should go now. Okay, Hazel, I am coming with you.
Wait, my toy airplane fell near the seats. Liv!
Leo, pick it up quickly. Mom and Dad are already walking ahead. I got it! Let's go.
The gate is now closing.
Oh no. Where are Mom and Dad?
Hazel, I cannot see Mom and Dad. Where did they go?
Don't be scared, Leo. We will find them together. Let's ask someone who can help us. Excuse me, can you help us? We cannot find our parents.
Don't worry, I will help you find your family. Hazel, that little boy looks upset. Maybe he needs help.
You are right. Let's ask him what happened. I cannot find my water bottle.
Don't worry, we can help you look for it.
Thank you. You are very kind. Helping others makes us stronger.
Leo, Hazel, we found your parents. They are waiting near another gate.
Are they really there? Look, Leo! There are many gates here. Which one should we go to?
I am scared we may miss them again.
Hold my hand, Leo. We will stay together this time.
Your parents are waiting near this gate.
Leo!
Hazel, we were so worried. I am sorry, Mom. I learned that even a small mistake can cause a big worry. Next time, I will stay close and ask for help when I need it.
That is a smart choice, Leo.
Let's learn some new words.
Journey means a trip.
Gate means the place where you enter the airplane.
Announcement means important information for people.
Upset means sad or worried.
Mistake means something wrong that you did.